This mother had absolutely no idea she was being hunted. Watch the background. As she walks up the driveway holding her baby, a man follows her out of the shadows. Look right here. He pulls a full face mask over his head to hide his identity. She closes the door just in time. Let's see what happened next. Police later revealed that a violent predator had been active in the area, and it is highly suspected this was the same man. Do you think these guys genuinely had the wrong house? Or were they trying to do something way more sinister? A college girl walks into her home, and not even 5 seconds later, these two large men step onto her porch and try to force the door open. Pay close attention to how they act when they notice the camera. Let's watch how she reacts. While some viewers online debated whether the men genuinely had the wrong house, their behavior, including lingering on the porch and whispering after noticing the camera, remained deeply suspicious. In Kent, Washington, a couple returned home early in the morning from a night out at a casino. As the husband unlocked the front door, a gun-wielding suspect rushed up the driveway toward the wife. She reacted instantly, running inside and locking the door just in time. Frustrated, the gunman and an accomplice smashed the ring camera with the weapon before fleeing. Police later identified and arrested an 18-year-old suspect, charging him with first-degree burglary. Moving away from human threats, this clip features an indoor security camera capturing a seemingly paranormal event while a homeowner slept on the couch at 1:39 a.m. Loud cracking and banging sounds began emanating from the kitchen as the pantry doors slowly swung open on their own. While a draft from a nearby fan was initially suspected, any logical explanation evaporated 4 minutes later when one of the doors was aggressively yanked shut by an unseen force. In Wichita, Kansas, an indoor security camera captured a homeowner's absolute worst nightmare. At 2:30 a.m., a stranger slipped into the house through an unlocked front door, walked into the living room, and stood directly over a sleeping 15-year-old girl. When she opened her eyes and saw him watching her, she fled to her mother's room screaming for help. Police used the clear camera footage to identify and arrest a 14-year-old boy, charging him with aggravated burglary and theft. A woman living in an apartment complex shared terrifying footage of a man who stood outside her front door nearly every single night for an entire month. The footage showed him standing perfectly still for long stretches of time, facing her door and occasionally whispering indistinguishable words. The viral attention prompted her family to confront the man and forced building security to increase their nighttime patrols, which finally stopped the behavior. An El Paso resident's camera captured a woman at the front door in the middle of the night, crying and pleading for help as if she were running from danger. However, her behavior quickly turned suspicious. Instead of staying by the door for safety, she repeatedly hid out of sight whenever a car drove past the house. She eventually walked away calmly to an waiting vehicle. A month later, police arrested a woman matching her description exactly, charging her with burglary of habitation, confirming the suspicion that the late-night distress act was likely a trap to get an unsuspecting resident to open their door. As the narrator emphasizes, always keep your doors locked, even when you are inside, and remain incredibly cautious about opening your door to anyone unexpected at night. If these clips creeped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Comment below with the scariest moment, and seriously, double check that your front door is locked tonight. Stay safe, and see you next time.